Most dog owners have wondered at some point, does my dog think I'm just a bigger, weirder dog? After all, they copy what we do. They follow us around. And sometimes they even tilt their heads like they're trying to understand us. It might seem like they treat us like one of their pack, but the truth is far more fascinating. In this video, we're going to explore what science says about how dogs see humans and how their brains work. To understand what dogs think of us, we first need to understand how they see the world. And it's very different from how we do. Dogs rely less on their eyes and more on their nose and ears. Their sense of smell is incredibly powerful, up to 100,000 times stronger than ours. That means while we might smell a cake baking, a dog can smell each ingredient in the cake. They use scent to recognize people, other animals, places, and even emotions like fear or happiness. When it comes to vision, dogs don't see all the colors we do. Their world is more like shades of yellow, blue, and gray. They also don't see details as clearly as humans do, but they're great at detecting movement, even from far away. That's why your dog might suddenly stare at a squirrel you didn't even notice. Dogs also pay close attention to body language and tone of voice. They can read your mood from how you move or speak. If you sound calm and use slow movements, they feel safe. But if you're loud or move quickly, they may think something's wrong. So, when a dog looks at you, it's not just seeing your face. It's picking up your smell, your tone, your posture, and even your energy. To them, this is how they read the world. Some people think dogs might believe we're just big, hairless dogs, but actually that's not true. Dogs are smart enough to know that we are not like them. Scientists who study dog behavior have found that dogs can tell the difference between humans and other animals. They use their strong sense of smell, the way we move, our size, and even how we sound, to know we're not dogs. For example, dogs can recognize the scent of a human even if they haven't seen them before. That's how powerful their nose is. There's also research from animal experts like Alexandra Horowitz, who wrote a book called Inside of a Dog. She explains that dogs see humans as their own special kind of creature, not another dog, but also not a stranger. We're something important to them. So no, your dog doesn't think you're a dog. They know you're different, but that doesn't mean they don't love you like family. Dogs know we are not dogs, but that doesn't mean they see us as strangers. In fact, they see us as something very special in their lives. We are part of their pack, but not in the same way another dog would be. To many dogs, we are like leaders or protectors. If you are confident and give clear commands, your dog might follow you like a pack leader. If you're kind and caring, they may see you as a parent figure, someone they trust to keep them safe. Sometimes dogs even treat us like family. They bring us toys to play, they cuddle close, or they follow us from room to room. These are all signs that your dog feels close to you and sees you as an important member of their group. You're not just their owner, you're their best friend, their safe place, and the one they look up to. So no, dogs don't think we're dogs, they understand we're different, but they still choose to treat us like their own in the most loving way. Dogs don't use words or labels in their minds like humans do. They don't look at you and think, this is a human, or look at another dog and think, that's a dog. Instead, they understand the world through feelings, actions, and experiences. Your dog learns who you are by how you behave. If you feed them, play with them, and make them feel safe, they understand that you are someone they can trust and love. It doesn't matter to them that you walk on two legs or speak a different language. They care about how you make them feel. Dogs remember patterns. If you're kind to them, they'll see you as safe. If you play with them, they'll see you as fun. They don't need to know your species. They just know you're important to them. So instead of trying to label you as a dog or something else, dogs build a bond based on the way you treat them. That's how their brain works. It's all about emotion and connection, not labels or categories. So, in the end, your dog doesn't need to know whether you're a human or a dog. What matters to them is how you make them feel. If you care for them, love them, and treat them well, they'll see you as family, maybe even their best friend in the whole world. That special bond between you and your dog goes beyond labels. It's built on trust, feelings, and loyalty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more dog facts, and let us know in the comments. What's one thing your dog does that always makes you smile?